Hello everyone. Winter is settling in and it was time to harvest the lemons from the tree in my backyard. From the lemons I harvested, I made lemon cilantro rice. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, then press the bell button to receive notifications when a new video arrives. And don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. Alright, I got all the lemons from the backyard lemon tree. The first step is to clean them. The lemon tree is just a year old. It's a teeny little thing and it gave me so much joy and so many fruits. It's incredible. I'm so happy with it. These are all organic lemons from my backyard. Nothing beats it. Okay, they look wonderful. They're really big and juicy lemons. Very thin skin and full of juice. It's wonderful variety. It's a Meyer lemon. So I am going to clean all these lemons. I already washed them, dry them thoroughly, and store them so that we can enjoy this lemon for a long time. And today I will make from these two lemons lemon cilantro rice. The first step for a beautiful lemon cilantro rice is the tempering or the tadka as we call it. And it starts with a good dose of olive oil. You can use any other oil as well. While my oil is heating, these are the items that I'll be using for my tempering. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dal or lentils, a pinch of turmeric, half a teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use any pepper powder that you have, salt to taste, and a tablespoon of grated coconut, a tablespoon of red chilies of the variety which is not hot and it's very readily available in all stores, and a tablespoon of roasted peanuts. So we'll be using this, and I already cooked 2 cups of basmati rice and put it out to cool a little bit, because it requires that the rice needs to be cooked earlier, at least 3 to 4 hours earlier or a day ahead. Okay, so my my oil is ready, so I'll start with the tempering items. Let me turn on quickly the light. In goes the cumin, in goes the lentils, turmeric. We'll put salt and pepper later. So let's wait until it is brown and golden in color and starts spluttering noises. And while that is happening, let me cut my lemons and get the juice out of them. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, juicy. When I grew up in India, in that region we grew rice. And rice was a staple food for morning, afternoon, breakfast, dinner, lunch. Rice was consumed in different shapes and forms. And the lemon cilantro rice is a very, very, very popular dish. And especially we made this, my mother made this in festival days. It was also made in temple, and we used to get, when we went to the temples, we got the taste of lemon rice that in the temple was made. It was always very special, very, very, very special. Let me check my, okay, so these are all sputtering, so before we burn, let me go ahead and throw in all my rice. The rice needs to be pre-cooked, and this is basmati rice, which is long grained, and you can see the rice grains separated. Let me go ahead and put some salt to taste. Some pepper to taste. Of these red chilies, these are all, this is a variety which is not hot. You can leave it if you want, it's not mandatory. And when we eat the lemon cilantro rice, while eating we take out these red chilies and we just put it on the side. We don't consume it, but it just adds the flavor and enhances the look of the dish as a whole. So I love it. I have a tablespoon of grated coconut. In that little home in southern India, and every home in southern India has a coconut tree. And coconut and rice are like match made in heaven. Here I go and get the ready-made grated coconut from the Indian store, and even some of the specialty stores have it. So if you don't have it, you don't need to add it. Alright, so let me get back here to my juicing my lemons. Wow, so juicy. So I was almost forgetting, the lemon cilantro rice needs lemon and cilantro. So here I have a big bunch of cilantro, which I'm going to finely chop. I already washed it. Guys, this mesmerizing scent of cilantro. It just speaks of South India. Let me put the lemon juice, making sure that I don't put all those pits in. I put this. These lemons were really juicy, so I'm gonna keep this aside and add if needed. Now taste, give it a little taste. Amazing. I saved some cilantro for a garnish. And as a last step, I'm gonna add all these roasted peanuts. If you don't have roasted peanuts, you can use the raw ones, but you have to put them in the oil while you're doing the tempering. Or you can put roasted cashews. so now this is dish fit for the gods, and while that waits, we go ahead and clean the rest of my lemons and make sure that I don't waste anything, and make sure that the lemons stay with me for at least 2 to 3 months. These lemons are washed thoroughly, so I'm going to just dry them. Alright, so now I'm going to take a piece of paper and wrap each lemon in it. Put it in a ziplock. Alright, that was my last one. So I'm going to close my ziplock tightly. Great. This is going to last me at least maybe 2 to 3 months. Let's see. Let's now see what's going on with my lemon cilantro rice. So this is done. Let's plate it. This lemon cilantro rice is a nice side dish for kebabs, any grilled meat, or by itself, for breakfast. It's such a versatile dish. I'll put the remaining cilantro for garnishing. Now I must give a taste. This spoon is just the taste of my childhood. It's amazing.